Merry meet magical souls and welcome back to another video. I'm so excited for this one. So thirsty. I gotta have a little chalice moment, but I got the witch's bounty box for this month, guys, and I'm so excited. You can go ahead and find them out in my description box down below. Without further ado, let's get into this box. It's funny, guys, before I even take a sip of my drink, I'm already spilling it everywhere and I'm not even drunk yet. But anyways, let's get into the bounty box. I'm so excited, guys. This box is awesome because you get an amazing jewelry pendant in this one. Ooh, I am loving what I see right here. Shungite. This is totally going into those vibes of Samhain, guys. I really love this Book of Shadows artwork so much. It's so magical and like Bone Witch vibes meets a little bit of Amazon and Native American. Ooh, it's all about Shungite. I really love this artwork, guys. It's so beautiful. Let's see what this month's theme is. I don't really know how to pronounce the theme of this month, guys. It says the Gateway of Eihwaz, Ewas. So it's a very magical box. Let's see what they say what this box is about. Much like the ancient virtues of the yew tree, we work to stand tall and unmovable through the hardships that life places before us. It can all be related to all interpretations of struggle, both physical and mental, or emotional and spiritual. As witches, we understand that struggle is a transition of the magic within change. As we open to accept change throughout our lives, continuously harness our ability to stay focused and present at all times. With the assistance from many powerful energetic forces, accompanied by ancient symbols, we are able to withstand the process of life, growth, death, and letting go while maintaining our ability to hold tightly to our personal powers. Join us the sacred month of September as we confidently walk through the gates of Ewas. The magical items in this box are as follows. I love this, guys. It's so beautiful, and honestly, it is really a hard path walking the magical path, especially when you remember past lifetimes, and I know over 20 with my twin flame. It's just craziness. So I love the beauty within this box, guys, and the magic that helps us get through our life. And oh, I just can't wait to get into more things, guys. So let's see what this baby has inside. Ooh, I just love how they wrap everything. Ooh, I wonder what this is down here. So let's go in for this little pouch, guys. This beautiful black satin pouch. I love how they put everything in black this month. Very witchy, very like magical, classy. Ooh, this looks like a piece of tourmaline, guys, and this is nice. This is a jewelry grade piece of tourmaline, which is awesome because these jewelry grade pieces are not only cost more money, but they're of higher quality, so the tourmaline won't be flaking everywhere because the lower grades flake everywhere, guys. I got it at the beginning of my spiritual journey with selenite, and this is the good stuff. And it looks like there's some little bits of pyrite. Did you guys see the little bee? There's so many flowers around me. The bees are like buzzing around and all that good stuff. So what it says about the black tourmaline stone, it's to accompany you on your path. We have included a black tourmaline stone. This very powerful stone was placed within this collection to act as your psychic protector, allowing your aura to stay clear of imbalance. Keep the stone close as you work through daily challenges. I love this stone, guys. It's one of the most powerful protection stones paired with selenite. It's like unstoppable, and I would say the stronger stone than this could be black kyanite in some aspects, but honestly, black tourmaline, I love it. It represents the black bull with goddess Nyx magic, and it's just so protective. And there's like little pieces of like galanite or pyrite. It's just so beautiful. I love the magical properties of this tourmaline. It's so pretty. I can put it with one of my plants, but totally gonna work with that baby. So let's get into the grand thing that everybody wants to see this month is the pendant, and we'll go into the spell candle and the magical oil. Oh my god, what is going on? This is a huge box. I haven't seen a box this huge. What are you? This looks so cool, guys. Whoa, this has got like a magical rune in it or something. There's hematite and this beautiful pendant. This is funny because this is giving me, what's it called, Hunger Games vibes meets witchcraft, like it's a modern witchy necklace. This looks very modern witch, guys. What? And this kind of matches the color tone of my jacket that I'm wearing. Ooh, so I definitely don't have this stone, guys. This pendant, guys, is Bomanite and Elite Shungite hand-carved Watts pendant. Oh, so I guess this is a polished grade of Shungite, guys. To me it looked like hematite, but looks like that's the Shungite. This very unique and one of a kind 925 sterling silver pendant includes carved belemnite capped with a light shungite stone. Belemnite is a beautiful fossil from the squid-like clarifods known to exist in the late Jurassic period, known by more than 25 different names in a multitude of cultures. Belemnite has also been named the Finger Stone, Devil's Finger, and Ghostly Candle, as stated within the Book of Shadows artwork included within this collection. An ancient fossil of distant deep, Belemnite utilizes and grounds out excessive energies, further providing focus on the present moment, connecting us to the revolutionary past and cutting cords which no longer serves our greatest good. Carved into the stem of the belemnite is the rune Elwatz to represent immortality and regeneration. I love that so much. As this belemnite and Elchrod's rune provides us with the energy of endurance and eagerness to keep our intentional flame burning with the light of passion and divine force, even during the darkest and most dreaded times. To assist us in maintaining clarity throughout this process, we have included a shungite cap to the pendant to act as protector along the body, absorbing and eliminating any negative energies. Shungite diffuses the aura when concentrated positive and beneficial energies, helping to cleanse dysfunctional patterns and realign subtle energies of the self and space. Shungite also provides excellent protection from distorting effects of electric and magnetic fields. As you place this pendant around your neck, visualize the ancient wisdom that it holds wrapping around you in a protective cloak. May you continue to foster energy around you to your will, so mote it be. Affirmation: I stand with the ancient elders, knowing my truth grounded as the sturdy yew tree. Blessed be. So besides that, guys, shungite is a beautiful stone that has purified water for a long time, so it's a beautiful water purifying magic too. So this is very, to me guys, it looks modern how they have it with the silver, but it's like very ancient and wise meets modern witchiness. This is so cool, guys, giving me Hunger Games vibes. I love the energy of this. It is so beautiful. I cannot wait to work with this magic, guys. So let's go ahead and get more into this box. I just honestly love how unique their boxes are, guys. Everything's like custom made, handmade. It's just so beautiful and magical. Let's get more into this Witch's Bounty box. And everything always comes with a little cord that you guys can wear, or you can buy their sterling silver cords too. But it's so sweet of them to include this cord that's not itchy, and it's a beautiful color. It's wine color this month. Totally matches my jacket and all the fall vibes coming up. So what else is in here, guys? What else is in this beauty? Looks like we got our hand-rolled spell candle. Let's open this baby up. I've been learning to try not to rip it too crazy, so I can still use the tissue paper to wrap the candle until I use it for the spell. Keep this baby all nice and protected. Ooh, what are you? You are very like fire element. Ooh, this smells very like magical, guys. Like, ooh, there's some herbs in this baby right here. Some good magic. Steady fast spell candle. We have hand rolled the spell candle with the intention of stabilizing your conviction throughout your meditations and ritual work. As you allow the flame to dance, visualize all mental and psychic shadow to slowly disappear until you have come to the here and now. Ooh. This has got some powerful magic within this. It feels so wise and elder-like how they describe the pendant. Totally what I'm smelling, what my intuition is telling me, guys. I love this baby. It's so magical. Ooh. And what else is in here? It looks like we got an oil for this month, and then the incense, like always. Ooh. You guys got all the goodies in this box. The beautiful jewelry pendant with magic, and you got all these beautiful tools to assist you. Ooh, this one looks like it's got the element symbol on it for one of the elements. I believe this one is for the element of air. Among earth and air, so it's the element of earth and air on this oil, guys, the little symbol. So among earth and air, magical anointing oil. This oil has been created with the pure intention of bringing grounded energies into your aura and tools. While the flow of the river runs beside you, as you cultivate your energy each day, allow this anointing oil to be your connection. Feel the overwhelming connection between you and your divine purpose, connecting with the higher vibrations of your work. Knowing that your journey is filled truth, know that among the darkest hours you are stable, allowing change and movement to wash away unwanted energies within your life. We have enchanted this oil with oils of almond, vanilla, and cedarwood, as well as a special mixture of our own mountain crossing magical oil from our personal cabinet of witchery. Along with cedarwood and lemon balm herbs, we have included a Lemurian quartz said to teach oneness, used to clear all charkas. Ooh, this is beautiful, guys. Clear quartz also amplifies energy and can be programmed to work as any other stone. Oh, this is so magical, and there's like a little spiral in here. This is so witchy, so magical. I love it, guys. And ooh, the element of earth and air. Very beautiful elements. And I am born as a Gemini, so I am the air element. Whoa guys, this smells so calm in the beginning and gets into such a beautiful like fall-like scent. I feel like they totally added the fall-like scent in here guys to match with the season, but also this smells so good, like a Bath and Body Works scent, guys. This smells beautiful, so divine. I can feel the calming magic within it, connecting me to the elements. Oh, I just love their boxes, guys. Each month, I'm just so excited to open them up. They get me so excited to live in this mundane world and enjoy the beautiful magic within. And let's see these incense. Ooh, they smell good and then get very rich and deep, like you can smell some magic and it goes deeper into some wiser, ancient, elder magic up in there, guys. Some like Green Man, Gia vibes, some ancient wise wisdom in there. So this is Purification Ritual Incense Sticks. As you light the Purification Incense included within this collection, allow the smoke to drop through your space. As it lingers and cultivates with the energy you intend to create, visualize any sickness, both physically and spiritually, being filtered out from around you. This is awesome, guys. We're going into the colder holiday months and it's totally like sick season, and I always, knock on wood, get sick. Hopefully I won't be getting sick anymore anytime soon, but I can use that to help me knock on wood if that time arises. I love this box so much, guys. Definitely go ahead and check them out in the description box down below. They ship internationally to Canada, to the US, and this box is about $78. I love it so much. It's so amazing. Go ahead and give them some love and let them know that I sent you guys, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below. And by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, who is right beside me, may you guys be blessed and rejuvenated in her loving embrace. So mote it be.